Today I'd like to play a game called Name That Grill. I'm going to show you guys a series of photos of grills of vehicles on our lot, and I want you to guess what vehicle they belong to. 5 points if you guess the manufacturer, and 10 points if you also guess the model of the vehicle. Now I'm only going to give you a few seconds before I reveal the answer, so pause the video. We'll start with an easy one because this grill is rather iconic. That's right, this grill belongs to a Jeep, specifically a Cherokee. Next up, something a little bit more nondescript. If you guessed a Ford, you'd be right. And if you guessed the Ford Escape, you'd be more right. I'll give you a hint on this one. It belongs to a 4-door sedan. Did you say Volkswagen or Volkswagen Jetta? Then you'd be correct. Alright, this is the last one. Yep, that trademark tiger nose grill belongs to the Kia Seltos. If you happen to guess all of them correctly, be sure to give yourself a high five and a pat on the back. And be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for more games like this.